This is the home screen of the application, and it's pretty much a radio application for Jamaica. It has all the radio stations for Jamaica. As you can see, there are quite a lot of radio stations. So all you have to do is just look for what you want and select it. Once you have selected the radio station that you want, it will start playing in no time. You have different sections as it relates to your radio station. You have the reggae section, you have the pop section, you have just the talk section, and some of these we'll just see most of them are just the same. So nothing much for that. So very easy to use. And as well, you do have the podcast section here, but these are just podcasts from around the world. You have the business podcasts, you have the crime podcast, you have this culture podcast, you have the comedy podcast. As well, you can also go at the top here and search for what you want. So it all depends upon whichever podcast or radio stations you want to listen to. So at the top here as well, you do get the ads-free option where you can get their subscription. You can see what they offer for their subscription. You have a monthly subscription, and you have a yearly subscription here. So nothing much for that. And over here, 3 lines, you do get the timer option if you want. You set the timer as it relates to these radio stations, and also you get the ads-free section here, which is pretty much just your subscription. So nothing much for this application. Very easy to use, very basic to use. Once you've selected your radio station, you'll be able to tap on the station that you have selected and give it a like and play it, or in the case, it's nothing much. So these 3 dots here can just set a timer when you want the radio station to stop playing. Let's say you want to play the radio station to play while you're sleeping or while you're trying to get some sleep, then you can set a timer for that as well. So nothing much for this application. Very easy to use, and if I've missed anything at all, comment below. See you in the next one.